Pretty disturbing. Personality creeping out at me. Suppressing and need to express. Something I need to bury forever.
Mostly consolation. I kind of like him. I think he's just trying to enjoy himself.
Except he's sabotaging all the hard work of his waking self.
Not sabotage. It's just who he is.
Some parts of who